had a chance at a rabbit and I blew it. Oh, he's a big fat one too. That one. Well, it is pretty dang chilly today. The sun's supposed to be shining though, but it's supposed to be really windy, so I'm gonna try to knock out some stuff before it does. Last of the yard waste. Feels pretty good. Neighbors love me. Nobody's up anyway. This is for you, Carolina Chris. Wow, that was good. You know, it's funny going through this whole thing right now, conserving, making stuff last. Brings back memories growing up in the 80s in Tucumcari, New Mexico during the first real big economic crisis. Well, it wasn't the first, but made us respect stuff differently. I think that's how it shaped us, or me especially, about wasting stuff. So yeah, it helped me. I think this whole thing's going to help a lot of people look at things differently. Had many bowls of cereal with powdered milk. I bet there's a ton of you out there didn't even know that existed. And we liked it. Sun's out. The weather's not near as bad as they said it was going to be. Fish are happy. Morning. Well, the wind finally made it. Starting to get worried. Alright, clean up this little area and plant some stuff in this little box. Alrighty. Got her shaped up a little bit. Till the soil later. You bet. I'm gonna take a little break. Just had lunch. Then I'm gonna go shoot a fish. I don't care what the weather's like. Wife and I tried yesterday for a little bit. And we're out checking the river. And the otter just went in. That was kind of cool. Let's take a practice shot. Close. Yeah. I'm gonna shoot at leaves. Leaves. Some practice. There, that was a good shot. Try out further. Big stick out there. Right over it, as usual. Like you said, it's a lot different than shooting in the backyard. Oh, that's a big dude. Yeah. Huge fish. Iowa, just like that. Big front blowing right in. Yeah. Sorry. Well, we tried. Should have went out first thing this morning. It was sunny and hot. I'll be in pants and a sweatshirt in a matter of minutes. I'm gonna try out my UV lens for my GoPro. You wait for the weather around here to change. You don't do anything, that's for sure. Where's my keys? It's just the wind. Fish don't know it's windy. Blew all my junk out of the back of the car. At least the trees are kind of blocking me right here, but man, that was horrible over there. Whew. Alright, let's see if we see something. I doubt it, but whatever. Oh, something stirred up mud over there. Well, so far nothing. I think I'm gonna go check another spot and might come back to this one. Other place might not be so windy. We'll have to just check it out. Well, they got gates up. Alright, whatever. I'm hungry. Some Arby's sauce. A few calories. Bridge, try there. Alright, try this for a little bit. Now it's starting to try to sprinkle. I I might have seen one over here in the mud. Yep. Really should have wore a stocking cap, man. It just, wind chill is freezing. Oh man, just right behind him. Woo! Got my arrow wet though. Cool. Put on my reel. Oh. There we go. Cool. Saw one. Big gar. Oh, it's brutal out. God, it's cold. All right. Okay. Whew. Wait for another one. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes. I'm frozen, no more fish, but at least I got a little bit of action. Huh? Yeah. A little bit is better than nada. Woo. Yeah, it's a little bit of fun. I'll take it. I asked my wife if she wanted to come out. She was like, no. I don't blame her. Oh, my face is frozen. Yeah, it's 47 degrees now, so the temperature's been dropping. That wind, wow, goes right through you. Well, seems to work. That'll get me by. I'm gonna try to get the kiln, the forge out soon and make me some tools, but no promises. Anyway, hope you guys had a great day. I'm spent. We'll talk to you later. Peace out. Yeah, it could be better. That's really hard. Ooh, some dryads. Those are old ones. Yep.